Please be seated. Okay, we'll continue with our arraignment docket. So we'll start from the top. If we want to go, Mr. Medina, you want to?
I have 2 inmates, Your Honor. I can take them whenever.
Let's do it. Start with Frank Adams.
Yes, sir. That's fine.
We're ready for 13 and 14.
Steve Medina with Frank Adams, Your Honor, in 23 CF 2078. This time, Mr. Adams is going to plead not guilty.
Very good. The court will enter a not guilty plea. The court will set this for pretrial on December 13th, 9 a.m.
Can I ask one question?
It'd be better if you did not address the court.
Just one question, sir?
Better.
One question, Your Honor?
Go ahead.
Your Honor,
I plead with, just want to ask one question.
I'm afraid there might be a competency issue.
Well, ask him.
One question.
Ask him, and then he'll know whether to ask me.
I would like to know.
Ask him.
I would like you to ask the judge if I can be released today or sometime this,
Okay.
come back to court sometime
At
week.
this point, we don't have that before us. We're not here on a bond or release, so you've got to file something. So talk to your attorney about it afterwards.
I'll discuss it, Your Honor, with him, and if he feels it's appropriate to file a bond motion, we'll notice one.
Can you talk to the state
Thank
attorney?
you.
Can you talk to the state attorney and have me released early? Without coming
Yes, I'll
back to
take
court?
That's fine. May I approach, Your Honor?
You may.
Thank you. I'm going to get an evaluation, Your Honor.
Sure. Is there a next one, Bunch?
We can do bunch. I don't know. If you were
Which one
going
do you
in-
want, Mr. Medina?
Bunch is
Bunch?
my next one, Your Honor. I think
Okay.
it's my only other one because the brown was no frost.
Right. You're correct.
It might be going down.
Steve Medina with Tyler A. Bunch, Your Honor, in 23 CF 2241. We are going to plead not guilty in 23 CF 2241. I believe there might be a VOP that we anticipate, but I don't think it's been served yet. So he may be coming back before December 13th, but basically for pretrial, I think he should go on the December 13th docket, Your Honor.
Very good. Court will enter a not guilty plea on behalf of the defendant. We'll continue this matter till 12/13 for the next pretrial. Okay, I think that's the last one on the list for you, Mr.
Yes, Your Honor,
Medina.
until 2:30.
Oh, yes, 2:30, of course. Is Marvin Bailey here? Would you come up to the podium, sir? Would the state announce this case? This is without an attorney.
Yes, Your Honor. This is State of Florida versus Marvin Bailey. The case number is 23 CF 2101, Your Honor. The state's information should be filed, Your Honor. The state
Okay.
does not have an offer for the defendant at this time. The state is in need of more victim contact before an offer is made.
Very good. So, Mr. Bailey, the purpose of today's hearing is just to enter a plea. This is a new charge, and therefore you do have a right to have an attorney. If you cannot afford one will be appointed. Do you wish to have an attorney appointed?
Yes, sir.
You're going to hire private counsel?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have one kind of lined up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. That will preserve your rights, so you have a chance to talk to your attorney. will come back on the next pretrial, which is on December 11th at 9 a.m. Before that time, you need to get up with your attorney, figure out where you're going. Just show him the case number and he or she'll know what to do with it, but you need to get up with them before our next hearing, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, who wants, I think you just have one, Mr. Harper. You want to do yours? Yes. Yours out of the way. You have Kieran? You had a busy day yesterday.
Judge, this is Ms. Kiernan. She's before the court on 23 CF 2057. At this time, she'd asked to enter a plea of not guilty and set this for the December pretrial.
Very good. The court will enter a not guilty plea on behalf of the defendant and will continue this matter till 12/13. What is that?
It's the phone.
It's the phone?
Yes, sir, I believe so.
Something else is taking over.
It sounds like that MediaCon or,
Somewhere in this vicinity here. I don't think it's coming. Do you think it's coming? You just started with, I didn't touch anything.
You need a
Is this
sign.
going to affect the recording? What we just did, we shut off. What did we just shut off?
I'm hearing it just fine, honestly.
Okay, as long as you can hear everything, we'll, I don't know what that's.
What is the sidebar? It says the microphone, so they're off.
Okay, well, let's just see where we're going to get. Okay. Anything further, Mr. Harper?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Yes, sir. Now, we have one more inmate,
Yeah, let's do it.
but it's got Thomas Cook as the public defender.
Flanagan is
That,
I don't know that name, Your Honor, but maybe I should.
well, I don't either. Maybe I
Maybe
should.
higher, maybe we're getting a third person in the division now.
Is it Flanagan?
Well, the defendant is Rehus.
We don't have a
Who's
Regus.
Regus?
We're the transporter, Regus. The only inmate left is Flanagan.
will you get the tape back here? What's the case number?
It's 23 CF 2211.
Okay.
And had her as, well, I don't know, all of them, I guess it's a male, I don't know.
2311.
I bet the attorney
23 CF 2211.
probably turned in a written notice, so they're not guilty.
I've got a cruise rehus set for November 16th plea day with a official conference in January. It's on your docket?
Yeah.
It's not on my docket,
I could find it on my news.
but I got the most current version.
If this is scheduled for something else, that's fine.
All right.
More, who do you have?
Flanagan, and she has family.
This is Gabrielle Flanagan in 23 CF 2122. At this time, we're going to be entering a not guilty plea in this case. She's got another case that's currently scheduled for December the 13th, so we would ask this case to be set with that.
Very good. Are you, so we'll enter a not guilty plea on behalf of the defendant and come back in December 13th at 9 a.m.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay?
And Ms. Flanagan, I met yesterday, and again, a little while ago. She has asked the opportunity to address the court. I've explained to her that this is a criminal arraignment. We really don't have time for that. However, she has pressed me and has asked to have that opportunity. I want to make sure the record's clear here that it's against my advice that she addresses the court, and if she does address the court, make sure not to say anything about the facts of the case.
And you understand, ma'am, that anything you say, I'm going to put you under oath, anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Would you raise your right hand?
Yes.
You swear or affirm the information you're about to provide this court is the truth, nothing but the true self you got.
I do.
Mr. Gates, I need to talk to you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Would, defense. Attorney told you that these hearings are not designed for this type of discourse. You've pressed your attorney, you want to say something, I'll give you an opportunity to briefly say something, but if I feel like it's going over, I'm just warning you in advance, I'm going to cut you off, and we'll come back at a later time when it's more appropriate, okay? Say what you need.
Before I begin, may I share a brief discussion with Mr. Travis Gates?
Sure.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I think kind of to curtail what she's asking for is ultimately she wants to ask the court for a bond. I explained to her that, again, this is not the time for that. I have already noticed and filed a bond motion for her for November the 14th at 9 a.m.
Okay.
I explained that also would give her a little bit more time to address the court in a little more detail with whatever else she might have.
And give your attorney a chance to prepare a little more for that type of hearing, so, okay? Because I'll be able to read it in advance and know a little bit what's going on, okay?
In other words, he's saying you won't entertain a bond motion that night.
Yeah. Today is not the day to do a bond motion, okay?
Would you like us to swear the attorney quietly?
Would you like to address the board, Your Honor?
For the receipt, Your Honor. Good Tuesday afternoon, Judge. With consideration of local courts, I'd like to request duty to rule within a reasonable time before filing or immediately thereafter pursuing method of service made with conformity towards requirements of Florida Rule of General Practice in Judicial Administration 2.516B and in paper format pursuant to Rule 2.516B2. Unless the statute indicates or a Supreme Court administrative order specifies different means of service. May I have the right to continue? Thank you, Your Honor. I certify courts that following filing substance as established and exercised is only in the merit of truth of accuracy. So thank you, Judge Ketchel, as well as the Judicial Administration.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Nothing in my notion of justice shall limit or lack balance to the constitutional powers of Chief Justice. Notion towards request for my duty to rule within a reasonable time and before filing or immediately thereafter pursuing method of service made with conformity towards requirements of Florida Rule and General Practice of Judicial Administration, Rule 2.516.
Ms. Flanagan, I don't want to break in on you, but I'm going to break in on you. Where are you getting this from? Where'd you prepare this from?
I've done some considerable study.
Research? You've been researching this?
Study.
Study? You been talking to anybody other than your lawyer?
About
what you just wrote, what you're saying to the court.
No, Your Honor.
Are you talking to your lawyer about this?
We discussed my statement being spoken, but
Okay.
we didn't speak
You're
of-
getting into the substance of this, and I'm concerned that you're going to harm your position, and so I'm going to ask you to not say any more because I don't want you to hurt your case. But do talk to your attorney. This is a very accomplished attorney. He's been around for a long time, and he understands the ins and outs of this. So, but talk to him about it, but this is not the right time to be going into this substance like this, okay?
Yes, Your Honor, I do understand. As I conclude, so you're not interested in...
Not today, not today,
All right,
okay?
so,
It's the wrong hearing, okay,
wrong hearing.
okay.
I understand.
Thank you very much.
So for the
On the
November the
14th.
14th is when I'll see you again.
Yes, ma'am.
That means I'll be sitting
Good luck.
in jail for another month.
Yes,
All right, yes. Thank you, Your Honor.
thank you.
Have a great night. Meeting.
And I think that's all I have before the court, Your Honor. I do think Mr. Rogers will address the court about one earlier today.
You're going to have to, sorry. Justin Hall, yes. Probation has confirmed that Mr. Hall's his probationary requirements have been completed. So at this time, the state moves to withdraw the violation of probation.
Very good. Give me the case number just for the court record.
22 CF 1632.
Okay, thank you very much. Would you guys approach once more?
Probation terminated?
Yes.
CNC Asian Market, located at 294 North Main Street in historic downtown Crestview, has the largest selection of Asian noodles, rice, and sauces in Northwest Florida. With more than 2,000 items on their shelves, you'll have no problem finding exactly what you need for preparing that authentic Asian meal. Open Monday through Thursday from 9 till 8, Friday and Saturday from 9 till 9, and Sunday from noon till 6 p.m. Be sure to check out our Facebook page for our weekly specials.
Hello, this is Chris Norman at Bulldog Bail Bonds. Our office is in Crestview, Florida, but we service 7 Northwest Florida counties. If you ever find yourself in a jam, please give us a call. We're here to help you out.
Congratulations, Crestview's very own Dixie Dan Powell of Powell Injury Law, for your recent jury verdict of $11.5 million for your client from a death and injury against an inflatable amusement company. Recognized in 2017 as one of the top 100 civil trial lawyers in the state of Florida, and Dixie is AV preeminent rated. Dixie Dan Powell works tirelessly for his clients, as is evident by this extraordinary verdict. If you're taking your case to trial, be prepared. Contact Dixie Dan Powell and Powell Injury Law, 850-306-2667.
Back Home Bakery Cafe is 2 blocks from the courthouse on Crestview's historic Main Street. We serve handmade pastries, espresso, and lunch items, and we're open Tuesday to Saturday from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m., serving lunch from 11 to 2. We hope to see you soon.
Hello, I am Bonnie from Body Be Healthy here in Crestview. We have been serving the area since 1999. We're an alternative health food store. If you're interested in bettering your health, we'd like to invite you to stop by. We're located in Court Plaza. Stop by and let us help you be healthy.
I'm Amanda Gaskin with Briarpatch Realty. Helping qualified heroes save money is my passion. When I help a hero buy or sell a home, they receive a check from Homes for Heroes. Check out amandasheroes.com for more information.
For more than 70 years, the sweet aroma of the Crestview's Coney Islands burgers and hot dogs has permeated the downtown area. If you have not experienced the unique flavor of Crestview's Coney Islands burgers and hot dogs, then I encourage you to join us for lunch. Monday through Thursday from 10 a.m. till 3 p.m., Friday from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m., and Saturday from 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. We're located in historic downtown Crestview at 107 North Main Street. Call 850-683-1045.
CQ Roofing, your hometown roofer since 1999. We're state licensed and insured, family owned and operated with 24 years of local service. We specialize in shingles and metal, re-roofs, repairs, and leak specialists. For all of your roofing needs, call us today or visit our website at cqroofing.com. CQ Roofing, your hometown roofer.
Dave's Tire Pros makes buying tires simpler. They offer a straightforward approach to tire and auto service that includes nationwide warranties, a hassle-free experience, and a great selection of Michelin tires. No matter.
That's all we've got for the 1:30. Okay. So the court will reconvene at 2:30 promptly for us to handle. We've got 2 hearings this afternoon, Mr. Medina's and then Mr. Swiatek's sentencing, and then Mr. Medina's VOP evidentiary. How long do you anticipate your evidentiary, Mr. Medina?
It's a motion in limine with two experts or arguable experts appearing by Zoom. So I would expect no more than an hour.
So you say a motion in limine, we're not doing the VOP evidentiary today?
That's Your Honor.
Okay, that's.
Not for Ms. Bradshaw.
Okay, that's what was written on my docket.
So, Your Honor, motion in limine and the state filed a brief response.
I did see the motion in limine, but
Does the court have the motion that was on the table? Would it be helpful?
on the motion in limine?
Yes.
I saw the motion as I was reviewing your file,
Yes.
but I don't have it right here, but I'm gonna get it because I had it, I was prepping.
I've got a copy of both.
Well, go ahead and give them to me, keep me from printing them off.
You want to get yours and I'll get mine? Well, actually, I have mine on. I'm going to give you your copy of yours. My copy of mine. That's fine.
Okay, very good. So we'll reconvene at 2:30.